Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to TikTok using OBS, how to generate your TikTok stream key. I already did a tutorial on how to stream to TikTok using vMix. Then OBS user said, please don't leave us behind, do a tutorial on how to stream to TikTok using OBS. Alright, so if you're an OBS user, then this video is for you. Alright, so I got a complaint. Someone complained to me that he was unable to complete the procedure, alright, using the vMix. Alright, so stay with me, just watch the tutorial carefully, follow the step, follow the guide, ensure you don't miss any step, alright, else you won't achieve the result. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Gentle Media. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to download the Streamlab desktop. Alright, so this is the first procedure. You are going to download the Streamlab desktop. Alright, so the Streamlab desktop is what we are going to log in our TikTok so we can get access to our stream key. Alright, so I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. Alright, so click it and download the Streamlab desktop. Alright, so once you are on the Streamlab desktop, you can see I already logged in my account, but I had to log out the TikTok account for the sake of this tutorial. Alright, so once you've installed it, open it and then just proceed till you get to this interface. Alright, so this is the interface right here. Come to this login. This login you are seeing here, click the login. Alright, so now you select your destination, which is login with TikTok. Alright, so click it. So let's just give it a time. Alright, so the next step, use QR code. So you're going to use your phone to scan the QR code. So click use QR code and then let's wait for it. This is my QR code. Alright, so this is the QR code. So you are going to pick your phone, log in your TikTok and then scan this code. Alright, so let me pick up my phone right here and then log in to the TikTok. Alright, so this is my phone right here. Let me quickly open my TikTok. Ensure you like and share this video. Don't forget, don't miss any step. Follow this tutorial carefully. Alright, so let me go to my profile. Alright, so once you're on your profile, you can see this tree line right here. Alright, so click this tree line. Alright, at this top right corner, click it and then you see your QR code. So click it. Okay, now it will take you to this interface. You can see the scanner up there at the top right corner. So click this scanner and then you can now point the camera to this QR code and let it scan it. All right, so let's just give it a second. Let's just give it some time. Okay, confirm login on TikTok for desktop. All right, so you click login. All right, so as you can see, QR code scanned. So you can see I've signed in my TikTok account on my PC. You can actually follow me on TikTok, Gentle Media. All right, so all you need to do is just scroll down and click continue. All right, so let's just wait for it. We've successfully logged in our account. So as you can see right here, I'm not using webcam. Let me just close this. Close it. I can actually delete them. Just delete them. All right, so as you can see right here, my account is already logged in inside the Streamlab. You can see Gentle Media. All right, so the next step is how to get your TikTok stream key. All right, so I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video. Streamlab TikTok key generator. All right, so you're going to click the link and download it. All right, so let me just head over to my desktop right here. You can see it right here on my desktop. This is what it looks like. Once you download, ensure you extract it. All right, if you extract it, you will have this folder right here. All right, so you're going to open the folder. All right, then you scroll down till you see this Streamlab TikTok stream key generator. All right, this one right here. All right, so you're going to double click on it. Let's double click on it. Just give it some time. All right, as you can see, I already logged in my account. All right, on this PC. You can see this was the account I used. This was my other TikTok account, but we are going to switch account right now. All right, so if I click load from PC, Let's click load from PC if that will give us the access to switch. As you can see, load from PC. This is the account Gentle Media. I've successfully switched the account. All right. So you can see I've logged in, but the status you can see never applied. Can go live false, which means I can't go live. All right. So what are we going to do? We are going to request access. Yes, you are going to request access. All right, so remember this link that we just clicked that took us to this page. All right, the link in the description. If you scroll down, you see Streamlab TikTok live access. You can request access here. All right, so you click this here. Click the here. You just want to request access so we can go live. Ensure you like and share this video. All right, so let's just give it some time. Okay, so once you're on this page, click apply. Yes, this apply right here. Click apply. Let's see. All right, I think this is another process. Yes, this is another process. So you are going to submit the following details, though sometimes it takes them 3 days for them to approve your login. All right, so select platform, click the drop down arrow, and then TikTok is not here, just select order. All right, so URL, let me quickly copy my Facebook link. So let me go to my profile, and then all right, and then I'll click this three line at the top right corner, and then I'll scroll down and then copy link to profile. Let me copy this. Let's try this. Hope this will work. Right, so I'll paste it right here. All right, let's go copy the Facebook link, copy, and then let's delete this one and paste it. All right, so they approved the one of Facebook. All right, so average concurrent viewer of your channel 500 plus. Provide screenshot that confirm you are the account holder. Which of the all right, let me just quickly screenshot the profile of my TikTok. All right, they just want to confirm if I'm truly the one. So click this. All right, so you're going to click this plus sign right here. Click it, and then just locate the screenshot. This is it right here, and then click open. So let's just give it some time to load. Ensure you like and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. All right, drop your comment if you have any question. Okay, now we've uploaded it. Upload up to 3 screenshots. Wow. All right, this process, I think they changed everything. I didn't pass through this process, but well, let me quickly go to my Facebook and screenshot my Facebook profile as well. All right, so now let me upload the other one. Click the plus sign. All right, click the plus sign. This is the one for Facebook. I will open it, upload it. So let's just wait for it. Okay, now the one for YouTube. Click the plus sign, and then let me upload it as well. Remember, I didn't pass through this process. They've changed everything. All right, so once you've uploaded, come to this box and accept their terms and condition. All right, so click it and then click submit. So let's just wait for it. Okay, access under review. You can see access under review. You'll receive the result within 3 business days. Wow. All right, so you are going to hold on. Once you are through with this process, you are going to hold on. All right, the next 3 days you come back and then they will grant you the access. All right, so in 3 days later I'll come back to this tutorial. All right, but I may not be using the camera depending on if depending on the location where I am. I can actually record my screen just to continue from this point. All right, so I'm going to end this video right here and then come back in 3 days later so we can continue. All right, so remember, access is under review. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Let's give it 3 days. All right, so we'll come back in 3 days time. Hello there, welcome back to this tutorial. All right, so we are back to the continuation of this tutorial on how to stream to TikTok using OBS. All right, remember where we stopped? I said we should wait for 3 days so they'll review our access and then give us approval on streaming to TikTok using OBS. All right, so it's more than 3 days now. Due to my busy schedule, I had to squeeze out time to complete this tutorial. As you can see, my camera is not set up at this point. All right, so please bear with me and let's head over to the tutorial. Let's continue from where we stopped. All right, so head over to your Chrome. Head over to your Chrome. Now we are going to search for TikTok stream key generator to check if they've approved our streaming. All right, so click this one right here. You can type it, TikTok stream key generator. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video as well, so I'll click it. Now let's just wait for it to load. All right, now we are back to this place. Now you're going to click this first link right here. Okay, so once you click it, this page will pop up. Now you're going to scroll down where you see requirements. All right, Streamlab TikTok live access. You can request access here, so you click this here. All right, click it. All right, now let's wait for the results we'll get. All right, after waiting for 3 days. Wow, so let's just wait for it. Wow, you can see access approved, which means I can now stream to TikTok. Congrats, your access to go live on TikTok from your streaming tool has been approved. Okay, now let's go to our TikTok stream key generator to check if we can actually go live there. All right, so now let me head over to my TikTok key generator. Remember, the link is in the description of this video. All right, so you can download it. Now once you've opened the folder, you're going to scroll down. This is the Streamlab TikTok key generator, so you're going to double click on it. Let's just give it some time for it to load. Okay, wow, now you can see actually this is not the username. The username we used on our Streamlab is Gen2 Media. That's my other TikTok. That is my TikTok account for Gen2 Media. This was the first account I used to record a tutorial for vMix. So we are going to switch an account to Gen2 Media. All right, you can see this username is Victor Ejeh 2. Actually, I can stream to this account as well. So we are going to switch it. How do we do it now? You click load from PC. All right, so you are going to click load from PC, and this can only be effective if you've logged in your TikTok account inside your Streamlab. All right, once you've logged in, so you can see it has switched to Gen2 Media. All right, you can see it right there. All right, so once we click load from PC, it's going to detect a TikTok account on this PC. Right, so it has detected the Gen2 Media. That's why it switched to Gen2 Media. Right, so you can see status approved, can go live through. All right, so if yours is showing false, all you need to do is go and request access and then wait for 3 days. All right, wait for 3 days so you can, they will grant you the access to go live. Okay, now you can see we can now go live. Now the next thing, your stream title, you can actually give it any title you want. If it's Sunday service, can give it, and then for the category you can put anything. All right, then how to get your TikTok stream key? You come to this place, you click go live. All right, this doesn't mean you will be live on TikTok yet, so don't panic. Just click go live and then they will generate your TikTok stream key for you. Okay, now let's just wait for it. Okay, you can see stream started successfully. Now you can see our TikTok stream key and our URL has been generated. Now let's hit OK. All right, so I'm going to copy my TikTok stream key. All right, so copy it, head over to your OBS, open your OBS, go to your setting, come to stream, and then under your service, click the drop down arrow and select costume. All right, now the stream key, we are going to paste it under the stream key box. Now go back, copy your URL, go back to your OBS. Now you're going to paste it under the server box. All right, so once you click apply and then hit OK. Now remember, once you have finished copying the stream key and the URL, don't close this. All right, don't close this. All you need is just to minimize it. All right, so once you have your camera and everything set up on your OBS, you can actually start your streaming. All right, start your streaming. Since I don't have anything to add at this point, I wouldn't want to start the streaming. All right, so all you need is just to click start stream, and then you will be live automatically on TikTok. Okay, so once you are through with the live stream, end your streaming on OBS, come to this place and you see end live. So I'm going to click end live. Take note, if you are the one streaming to TikTok, you can't watch it yourself. You can't watch it on your phone. Else you have to share the link to maybe someone else or use another phone to check if you are live on TikTok. All right, so this is how to stream to TikTok using OBS. All right, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones. All right, subscribe to Gentle Media and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. All right, so which tutorial should I drop next? Let me know at the comment section. See you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Gentle Media.